그죠? So if you did solve this question, you wouldn't have a problem because I think I would have a problem because of words. I don't know what throw was until I solved this question. What's throw? Do you know? What is it? 그죠? 배수 같은 거. I didn't know what it was. So I think I would have a big problem with it because I wouldn't have thought about that this actually represented volume. Okay? This is not area, it's a cross section, so it's got the shape of volume. So what I mean by is, so if this was a cross section, it's got little pictures of the following 배수구. So looks like that. We have this length here. Okay? So 이렇게 있다는 거예요. Like that. Yes, I like technology. 이렇게 하면 딱 이쁘게 나오겠죠, 그죠? So you look, this is the picture you have, man. I didn't know what throw was, but this is the picture you have, okay? And of course, talking about the water filled up there. You're talking about the water filled up there. Okay, that's what you're looking for. So now, this is about related rates question. But likewise for the optimization, you need to come up with an expression. That means you need to come up with an expression of the volume filled up in this throw. Okay? So how would you like to come up with that volume here, my friend?
Sector.
It's not sector. But yes, base area minus. Oh yes. Minus? Yes, it's called segment. 그죠? It's called segment. And yes, if we got the base area and times the height, which in the textbook question is given as 8 meters, you will get the volume. Okay? And then the base area, as Young said, it's a segment. Okay? And segment formula, you should know, what is it? Sector minus the triangle. And if you factorize the common factor of the r squared over 2, it's going to be same as who? r squared over 2 theta minus sine theta가 돼요. Okay? But bear in mind, this theta is in what? Radian. It must be in radian. Okay? Alright, so let's have a look at this question more carefully. Let's see what we are looking for. So for the volume formula, it's pretty piece of cake. So what we do is 1 over 2 times r squared, where the radius is given as who? Half. Okay, so it's going to be 1 over 4 times theta minus sine theta, right? And then the height, the length of the volume is what? 8. So it cancels out with the denominator. So voila, I have theta minus sine theta. Okay, that's the volume. Okay, I got the volume. But look, let's read the question carefully on B and tell me which rate I'm looking for. Tell me which rate I'm looking for. What rate am I looking for B? Related rates는 항상 중요한 게 뭐다? 세 가지가 중요해요. First, what is it? Coming up with an equation. Expression. And second, what is important? Use the given information. And make sure you know which variable you can relate to. Okay? For example, look, I'm given pretty many informations in here. Is that, well, I got the diameter, so I know it's gonna be radius, and for that I associate with the variable r. 그죠? That's easy. But look, it says constant rate of 0.1 meter cube per minute. Okay, that's also given information. But what variable am I associating that as? Constant rate of 0.1 meter cube per minute. What is it about?
Volume.
Well, it's not exactly the volume.
Water level.
Come again?
Water level.
Water level is something that I'm looking for, but constant rate is what, Inyoung? Is a dV over dt. It's a rate. It's a rate, and the rate is given as constant. But what is also very important? The unit, my friend. Unit says meter cube per minute. Bear that in mind. Unit matters a lot. Okay? So let's write down the list of the information we have. I have the radius of half. And who? dV over dt to be constant. It's given as what? 1 over 10 meter cube per minute. Okay? We've got that. We've got that. So let's try to use it. Okay? And I also have the expression for the volume, right? We already found the expression for the volume. in terms of who? Volume in terms of who? Theta. Okie dokie. So those are the things, okay? And for B, what am I looking for? You also have to indicate what I'm looking for here. So what are you looking for here?
dH over dt.
I'm looking for the dH over dt, where h represents the height of the water rising. Okay, I'm looking for the dH over dt. That's the unknown rate, right? I'm looking for that. So all this information, you gotta mix it up. So let's do step by step. So Inyoung, what would be your brainstorming on this following question? I'm looking for dH over dt, but what is a problem? What I do not like about this dH over dt?
You don't have an equation.
I don't have an expression for the h. So you need to come up with an expression for the h. But in terms of what? If you look at the shape here, what variable do I have? I have a theta. Well, I'm looking for dt, but it says theta. Not a problem. You can still differentiate with respect to t by what? Implicit, 그죠? So I don't mind having the h in terms of theta, okay? Get me the expression of h in terms of theta.